Welcome everyone. I am Pascal Clement, founder of Percentem and your trainer. During my career, I have developed an expertise in reliability and industrial maintenance, combining teaching with the field practice of engineering. Professional experiences coupled with teaching have allowed me to master the fundamentals of asset management. Innovation is about mastering and adapting established concepts rather than inventing them again. The challenge is to integrate them into a concise process, delivering strategies aligned with corporate goals and tailored to the local operating context. To do so, I have gathered existing concepts into a holistic approach called the PCAM process, which stands for the Performance-Centered Asset Management Process. Its purpose is to deliver results without burden or endless analysis. In order to achieve this, we need to get everyone on board. So the approach has to be simple, robust, and engaging. Its originality lays into its simplicity. Are you curious to see a simpler, better way to do things? Are you looking for efficiency, to engage your people with simple, straight to the point, and useful tools, embedded in a process that influences the culture of your company in the direction for success? Then this training is for you and your people. This is a short training to familiarize yourself with the PCAM approach, which stands for Performance-Centered Asset Management. So the approach includes the Performance-Centered Asset Management process, to ensure that everything is linked together into a logical process with a feedback loop for continuous improvement. The point here is to ensure to continuously improve what we're doing. It also includes the PCAM body of knowledge and the complete training that supports it. So the body of knowledge is holistic as the process. Now, included with the training, you will also have convenient, easy-to-use concepts and tools. And the tools provided with the training are accessible to all. You do not need to buy yourself some specific software or any other expensive tool. Everything is accessible to all. So every concept is accessible and adaptable to any kind of industry. Now, to verify the knowledge, we have a certification process. And this certification is a lifetime certification, meaning that once you have it, you keep it. So you do not have to recertify every other year or every 3 years. The philosophy here is that once you have proven that you've understood the training, that you're mastering the knowledge, well, you don't have to show it again and again. So this is based on my personal experience with other certification. I'm holding at the moment 3 certification, and I've been holding these 3 for many years. And every 3 years I have to recertify. This is not only an administrative burden, but also a financial burden, because every time it costs a few hundred US dollars. And every time I'm wondering, why do I have to do that? I understand the needs to stay up to date. But here we are talking about basic principles, basic knowledge. Once you've demonstrated that you know it, I don't think you have to show it and demonstrate it again and again. So this certification is a lifetime certification. Once you have it, you keep it. Now, the whole approach wouldn't be complete without an audit. So the package includes an audit tool. The audit is to ensure that your improvement action are actually reaching the goal that you're aiming at. Remember, we cannot improve what is not measured. How do you measure where you are with your processes and concepts and tools? Well, you can do it with the audit tool. So the PCAM audit. This is for continuous improvement and global performance. So that gives you an overview of the PCAM approach. You will be surprised how quickly the process is shaping and improves the overall performance of the company. It uses the global sustainability triple performance, the people, planet, profit, to get the most value out of your assets. This training completes the Performance-Centered Asset Management training set. The PCAM approach, holistic, simple, and sustainable. The set of training also includes the foundational processes of asset management, the reliability-centered maintenance, the total predictive maintenance, the root cause analysis tools, in-depth reliability and data analysis to learn the language of assets, and the PCAM audit, continuous performance for physical asset management training. The set is available in English or French, online, on-site, or in public session in partnership with universities in France or Canada. Support is also available to consultation services tailored to your operational context. Let's build together a sustainable and safe future. To know more, visit percentum.com. This is percentum.com. Thank you for your attention. Get on the training and do not hesitate to reach out for more info. Cheers. This was Pascal Clement, founder of Percentum. Percentum.com.